Testing. Okay. So we are live. We are live in what will probably be a very weird live stream. But without further ado, let's begin. One moment. Let me make sure everything is running properly. So, the title of this live stream is Data Recovery is a Scam. And yes, this must be very rich and funny coming from a guy who made over 10 videos about data recovery softwares. But I guess also dealing with all this data recovery software is not what qualifies me, but I came to a conclusion after testing all this data recovery. I came to a conclusion, and it's not a positive conclusion regarding data recovery software, maybe a positive conclusion for the customer, for the viewer, for you, but definitely not for the companies. So, first let me explain. The title is Data Recovery Software is a Useless Scam. In the thumbnail, I said data recovery is a scam, but I'm not talking about all data recovery, because not all data recovery is a scam. Obviously, if I'm not talking about experts, about technicians, about services where you send or you bring your hard drive, your SD card, your phone into a service and then they recover your data. I'm not talking about this. I am talking about data recovery software. And most importantly, paid data recovery software. Because there is a difference. We also have free data recovery software, and about this I have no problem, nothing, and I will also explain why in this live stream. But my main problem is regarding paid data recovery and why I think this is a scam. And I know I will get, in the next few days, I will get a bunch of emails from angry former partners, former collaborators, with which I collaborated in the past, for which I made videos. For example, I made videos for Stellar, for AnyRecover, for Minitool, for a bunch, and I've used even more. I have, I guess, 13 videos about data recovery, and except one, the one about Recuva, which is a free data recovery software, all the other ones were sponsored. And yeah, I am not happy with this. I'm glad that the period is done and now I can talk freely about it. And obviously also after this live stream, I will also delete or private those videos, because I'm no longer contractually obligated to keep those videos online or to nothing. So yeah, that's why I also never talked about it anymore. That's why I also never made videos like this anymore. I wanted to wait until this period is over so that I can delete these videos or private them or unlist them or whatever, and to say my piece about all this. Now, one thing is for sure, I will never do sponsored videos about software of this type, and I'm not talking about data recovery only. I'm talking also about like partition wizard and partitioning, backup software, and so on. I have a bunch of emails from companies who want me to make videos about this for a sum of money, but I don't want to do this anymore. Because I think it's not fair. So let me pull here up. In this page, for example, we have Rekuva from CCleaner. And Rekuva is also the video that it's on my my most viewed video about data recovery. Was also the first video, the one that started all this. As you can see, I have a bunch of other data recovery videos. This whole playlist is about data recovery videos. And my most viewed is the free data recovery software, Rekuva. And yes, for this one, I stand by Rekuva because, first of all, it's free. Of course, they have paid versions, but you don't have to pay them. You don't have to buy them. You don't have to purchase them. You can use Rekuva. I don't recommend buying this because if this doesn't help you, most probably this will not help you either. If this doesn't help you, then none of this will help you, okay? If the free version of Rekuva and Windows file recovery doesn't help you, then nothing else will help you. That's the bottom line, the conclusion that I came up with based on all these pieces of software that I tried. And I tried also others besides this. I also used Disk Drill in the past, Stellar I have here, and iMyFone, Any Recover. I mean, they work, but I'm not saying that they will not work. Okay, let me pause it right here. I cannot pause it, but let me say this. I am not saying that they will not work. Okay, I'm not saying that they will not recover, that they will not do an okay job. But all I'm saying, they will not do a better job than Rekuva. If Rekuva, the free version, will not help you, or Windows file recovery, which is also free, will not help you, then they will not, in 90%, they will not help you either. And not just all this. I'm talking also about the other ones from ESUS, from Disk Drill, from basically everything else. If these two here, Windows file recovery and Rekuva, the free version, cannot help you, the only thing that could help you is a data recovery expert to send your drive, your SD card, your phone there. And this is also regarding phones or MacBooks. There isn't something free for Mac or for Android or for iPhone, but the idea is the same. I would honestly, instead of paying money for all this, I prefer to bring my device to a specialist. Okay, hold up. I got a little heated up talking about this because honestly it makes me a little nervous to say all this, but it has to be said. I will drink a little. So, yeah. Data recovery is a scam. Honestly, yes. Don't pay the money. But I say don't pay the money, but then you're probably wondering why you made all those videos back then. Well, in all the fairness, all these videos, as you can see here, they are 2 years old, 1 year old, but even if it's 1 year old, if I check now the exact, now let me pause this. The exact release date is on, so almost 2 years. So basically all the videos from here are around 2 years old. Back then, it was something new for me. Yes, I wasn't used to people, brands, partnership, deals. I wasn't used to this. And I was happy for any type of collaboration, for any type of sponsorship, for any type of this. I was, yes, I mean, in the end, I will make a video about your product, you pay me, and that's it. Okay, so I made a review, but after a while, this kind of started eating me up. Also, everyone who was commenting on all the other videos that they are not free and everything, I was always redirect them to the Rekuva video. I was not saying other stuff. I was just, yeah, if you want free data recovery, check my video, go to this and blah, blah, blah. Because I stand by Rekuva, because it's free. They don't ask you to pay. They say that if you want better experience, then you can pay, you can buy the professional. But honestly, I don't think that a professional will help you more. They say that besides the advanced file recovery, you have virtual hard drive support, automatic updates. I mean, in the end, you can delete and reinstall from time to time, but honestly, you don't need this every time. You don't need this every day. If you need maybe one time per year, I would say, maybe even less, hopefully, maybe once in a lifetime, because once you lose all your files, next time you will be much more careful. I know I did. I just needed data recovery one time. No, actually 2 times, but second time it didn't work, not even Rekuva, and this was not even a long time ago. Second time when I lost the file also by accident, Rekuva didn't help. First time it helped me very well, but second time it didn't. It also depends. Oh, okay. I clearly came, well, a little too overwhelmed in this live stream. I have so many things that I would like to say, but I don't know exactly what to start first, what to say first, and I have the feeling like I'm missing a lot of things, and I don't want to first of all miss something, miss an explanation, or to go too much in a different way. Now, obviously, like I said, I will get rid of all these videos, and I will not make new videos about data recovery or other software. I will keep the Rekuva video. I will not just keep this, I will also make a more compact one, where also I will put Rekuva in the title so that people know that it's about this. I will also make a video about Windows file recovery, because this is also a good one, but you will never see me making a paid data recovery software video, because paying will just basically giving them free money, because these two things don't help you. Then all the other paid software that's on the market will not help you either. And that's, in my opinion, that's a fact. The only thing that will help you then is, as I said, send your drive to a specialist. And I hope you have one near you, but definitely, I would definitely not give them money. And yes, it was my mistake. I was at the beginning, I was happy to get sponsorship, I was happy to get some type of recognition. But once all this sunk in, and I realized what I'm doing, and I realized what is happening, and once I realized that they are not better than the free versions that's on the market, then I said, stop, I will not do this anymore. I will not do this type of videos anymore. I will wait until the period, the 1 year period that I was contractually obligated to leave these videos on my channel. I will wait until this is done, and then not only that I will get rid of them, but I will also talk about them because I feel like it's my responsibility. Also, every time when somebody was asking me in the comments to do this, was asking me in the comments, but wait a second, these are paid, or wait a second, this doesn't work for me. I only said, yes, then ask for a refund, and if you want free data recovery, go to this video and check Recuva. The first thing that I said, ask for a refund, because honestly, I didn't felt, how to say, honest. And yeah, I know I will expect the emails to come, but more than to be angry on me, they cannot do, because I waited my period, you know, even longer than 1 year. I was like, I have to keep the video for 1 year, but the time is done. And you know, at least the majority of them didn't get also that many views. So at least this. So yeah, that's about it. I'm thinking now if I skipped something, if I didn't explain something. Very well, or if I need to give a little more context in some situations. Not to mention the fact that I'm talking alone the whole time. There is somebody in the chat now, huh? Come on, nobody today? Well. Then I will take a little time to breathe a little and think. Now, you know what? I will start by by unlisting the videos. Hold up. Let's see. Content, playlist, data recovery. So, show all. Okay. How to recover data from a broken Android Samsung. Damn, this video, I guess this is my only video that has a yeah, wow. Wow. I never saw this until now. Honestly, it's the first time when I watched this. This video has a 44% like to dislike ratio. So this video actually has more dislikes than likes. And this is the only one on my channel. And you know what? This just shows me I don't want to see this. So this video, bye-bye. Come on, where's the button? Okay. Save. Okay, phone lab data retriever, straightforward data recovery. Bye bye. How to recover deleted files with Stellar data recovery. Bye bye. Stellar data recovery, professional data recovery. Bye bye. 2023, how to recover deleted files with the best data. Bye bye. 2023, no root, best Android data recovery software. And you know what? Another thing that I want to say, while I say all this, let me just say, making these videos were also a very painful experience for me, because I had to put the titles that they wanted, I had to put a description that they wanted, I had to make everything that they wanted. And I'm not saying that that they didn't work, because obviously they worked while I made the testing and everything, but they would not work better than a free data recovery software. And by free, I'm not talking just about like a trial data recovery. I'm talking about a 100% unlimited free data recovery, such as Recuva or what's the name? Windows File Recovery. So, next. USB drive data recovery. How to recover deleted. Bye bye. Data recovery with only one click. Bye bye. Okay, I don't want to get rid of this one. Say the Recuva video, because I still stand by this one. So what else is here in the list? Pen drive. Let me search pen drive. Like here, this is an example. I never use the word pen drive, and somehow this is in the title here. Because they asked for it. Yeah, this is another example of no, not another example. This is again something that the me from now I would never do. But like I said, it was 2 years ago, different times, and yeah. Let's see how how this looks now. I need to get rid of them here also. I definitely want to keep this as a playlist, because next to the Recuva video that I have, I want to go more in this direction. I want to talk more about Recuva, and because in that video, what is going on? I was pressing on download all the time. because in that video I first of all I talked way too long about other stuff, and I basically started this video at the minute 6 here. So here I finally talk about Reguva, and a lot of people complain about this, and yeah, I understand. If I would have to wait also 6 minutes until somebody enters in the bread, I will also be mad about this. But yeah, and there are other stuff that I learned about Reguva after I posted this video, and I want to make an update version of this video. I want to make another video about Windows file recovery, because these are the only two out there that actually work. Not actually work, because the paid ones also work, but these ones, but they don't work more or better than the free ones, Reguva and Windows recovery files. And that's why I say, I know it's a little catchy, a little clickbaity, that data recovery, paid data recovery is a scam, because what you can get for free, you basically get if you pay money, nothing more, nothing less. Definitely the best solution, if Reguva or Windows file recovery, if this two doesn't work, the best solution is, instead of paying 100 euros for the premium versions or whatever, to spend the money at a service. That's it. If you don't have the money, and data recovery and Reguva doesn't help you, or Windows file, then yeah, I don't have other solutions, to say it like this. I would definitely not advise you to pay money. I did this mistake, and I will not repeat it. I'm sorry if that I come now with this, but as I said, I was a little green around the ears when it came to this, and yeah, I was at the beginning, I didn't know better. Wow, here's another thing. Wow, these are blessed from the past. Oh God, my first videos. Yeah, this is when I made when I was in my DIY. Yeah, these videos were when I was in my DIY period. Basically, how I started on YouTube, by making DIY stuff. I started first with this video, full laptop upgrade, when I put a eGPU on a old piece of crap laptop. I wanted desperately to learn DaVinci Resolve, and this laptop that I had back then was not as that powerful. It didn't have a graphics card, nothing. It had a low CPU. I knew nothing about them at that time, but I desperately wanted to learn DaVinci Resolve, and so I made a eGPU. I put a eGPU. I had a NVIDIA 770 graphics card. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, that was my DIY, my DIY period of YouTube. But it lasted not that long. Because nobody wanted to watch DIY videos, that's why. After this, I made a Chrome OS video, and from there, people, the things went nuts because they were more successful. Anyway, that's not what we were talking. And by we, I mean me. We were talking about data recovery being a scam. Hey guys. Hey guys. So, hey guys. I only say this, but this time I guess I will also make it. I will make this a compact video and post it as a video, not only as a live stream, because I really want to send this message as far as possibly can. I want to spread this message that people should not invest in paid data recovery, because no matter what they say and no matter what they promote and no matter how they promote it, paid data recovery software is just it's a thing to avoid. Is nothing worth investing. If you really have just two options, you have Recuva, you have Windows file recovery, and that's it. Online. Or, damn, I'm talking so weird. So you have three options. You have Recuva, you have Windows file recovery, or you have sending your drive or bringing your drive into a service, to an expert. That's it. Don't invest your money in paid data recovery. Don't buy Stellar, don't buy EaseUS, don't buy any recover, don't buy nothing, because if this two doesn't help you, the other softwares will not help you either. Punct, period, and that's final. I mean, obviously you can try. If you don't believe me and you think everything else, it's your money, you know, you can try. You can waste your money. You can spend your money. Feel free to do what you want. I'm just telling you, don't do that. Save your money. Yeah. Any questions? I see two lost souls here, which I'm pretty sure that they don't know what they are doing here. They're not. Thank you very much. Yeah, Chrome OS videos I didn't made in a long time. I don't know, maybe I will do again, but honestly, Chrome OS, it's I guess I covered pretty much everything that there is. I made how many videos? Hold up. 24 Chrome OS and Android and Flex, and yeah, 24 videos. I guess I covered all the holes when it comes with Chrome OS. So unless it's something new, I just have this list here. I guess for now it's enough. Like I said, unless it's something really new that I don't know about or I didn't cover. But I'm glad it helped you, and you're welcome. Honestly, I would use them also, because it's been so long since I installed Chrome OS that I'm pretty sure that I need to remind myself. It's been like 2 years or more since I've done something with Chrome OS. My last video on Chrome OS was over 20 videos about Chrome OS. Shut up. On February 10, 23. So 1 year and 2 months. But this was just a guide regarding a guide made with everything that I had already from other videos. So technically, hold up, let me check. No. Okay. So I did try here because it says here in the corner, it says February 23. Well, anyway, yeah, so 1 year, 1 year and 2 months. Yeah, I definitely would need also a reference to install Chrome OS again. What do you think about data recovery? So now my data recovery playlist is just one video. Hey guys. I definitely need to do something about it because I don't want to leave just one video here. But I'm glad that I got rid of all the others. That's a big thing, a huge accomplishment, to say it like this. Because it's something that I thought about a long time. And let me make... Yep, it's gone. Yeah. If you're talking about Chrome OS, or yeah, it was a nice how to say it, a nice time to do all those videos, to do to work with Chrome OS and do all this. It was really it was also really what took me out of the beginning with DIY and everything, because back then, like I said, the DIY videos didn't work that well and I didn't know what to do, and I had this old laptop, and then I started making Chrome OS videos, and they obviously did better than whatever I tried to do back then, and yeah, brought me in a niche that I wasn't that familiar with, and now I'm basically in this niche. Yeah, of course, I try to make like in the last year to make product reviews and everything, but I guess that what I really like the most is make software or operating system videos, and probably I will go full time at this very soon. I also like to do live streams from time to time, and maybe from these live streams to make videos. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still a little trying to figure it out right now in which direction I will go with the channel. Either I go on with product reviews, or I make live streams and take clips from live streams and make normal videos from them, or go full data recovery. Go full in back to software and operating system videos. No, I don't work in IT. I just learn. I don't know. I wanted to, and I just learned about it. Most of the stuff, also stuff that I was reading, I also spend a lot of time checking on GitHub and everything, and they come to you, and you're yeah. But I'm not. I don't work in IT or stuff like this. You learn by doing. I just want to make sure now that I took all the data recoveries videos that I don't want. So data, show all. Okay. So just Rikuva is there. Let me search one by title. So what? Let me search like this. This was the title from a video. It's gone. Okay, gone. Good. No, not quit opera. Stay here. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done with all the videos. So they are out now. All the data recovery videos from okay. Hold up a second, I need to make a short break. Wait a second. So, let me drink something fast. So, let me say it again, because I didn't say it enough. Data recovery, paid data recovery software is a scam. But not this type of scam that, oh, it doesn't work, because it will work at yes, it will do its job-ish, but it will not do the job better than, for example, a free data recovery such as Recuva, which is completely free, or Windows file recovery, which is also free and unlimited. Both of them are unlimited. Recuva does have the professional version, which offers virtual hard drive support, automatic updates, and priority support. But the recovery part will be the same for professional and free. So if I would not recommend this, the professional, don't buy the professional, use the free. If the free version doesn't work or Windows recovery doesn't work, don't go for something else. Don't go for professional, don't go for Stellar, don't for disk drill, don't go for EaseUS, don't go for anything that is software. Take your drive, take your phone, take your whatever you have and bring it to a professional. That's it. That's all you have to do. Don't waste your money on paid software. Use Recuva, use Windows file recovery, or if this doesn't work, send it to a specialist. Go to a service, go to an expert, that's it. That's all you have to do. Don't waste your money and time trying to find the best data recovery software online, because it's not worth it. You will just be sad in the end for a bad decision. And again, I know that this comes from the guy who made 13 videos about paid data recovery, but like I said, those are different times. I was green in this, I was new, I was happy to have sponsors, I was happy to have collaborators, and it was just something new for me. I didn't pay that much attention, but now that the time has passed and now that I learned now that I learned more about all this, I just stopped making these types of videos. I stopped making these types of videos. I didn't took new partnerships, new collaborators. I rejected all the emails that I received, and I waited for this 1 year period where I was supposed to keep the videos online. I waited for this to be done so that I can delete them, and honestly, to say all this now and feel better about myself. I guess, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to add, and just that I will recommend anyone who is in desperately need a data recovery software to use Recuva or Windows file recovery. I will make 2 more videos about this too, go more in depth about it, but definitely under no circumstances I will I will definitely, I will not recommend someone to use a paid data recovery. Definitely not. Never again. So yeah, that's pretty much it what I wanted to say about data recovery. I already said it 3 times. Now, if somebody new on the, I will not end up the live stream right away because it's still early, but if somebody new will come and wonder why the title is data recovery is a scam and they find me doing something else, I will explain because I said it already. I don't even feel like playing something now. Also, in my last stream, I said that I will make this that stream a short video, and I didn't. So, but I will definitely make this one a short video. And by short, I don't make short like TikTok short, like YouTube short. I'm talking about long form content, but not live stream type of long form content. Oops. What is this now here? I just saw that I have an ISO of Windows 7. I didn't even notice this. Why I have this Windows 7 ISO here? Does it work? From where I have this? Jesus, stop. So 7. What? No. So Windows 7 next. Gen 1. I guess Windows 7 was just Gen 1, or let's make it 4. Let's leave it at 50. Adam, where are these all from? That's baffling to me. Settings. You don't need. Let's leave it on 4. Apply. Okay. Do you work? Does it work? Yes, apparently it does. Windows 7. Oh, memories. Yeah. Or how everybody likes to say, the best Windows out there, huh? Windows 7. To new people who just tune in case you're wondering why the thumbnail and the title is data recovery being a scam, but I'm installing Windows 7, is because I'm basically done with that thing. I talked already about data recovery, but if you want more clarification, I could repeat and explain. You can just leave it in the comments. Or obviously, you don't have to do this. Why? That's a weird sound. Sorry about that. Sorry. I will not do it again. I don't remember taking it so long. I mean, I'm on a virtual machine, but still to take so long to install Windows 7, or how the cool kids like to call it, the best Windows out there. And yes, I dare to say that Windows 7 is better than XP. Fight me. Maybe I should do this type of videos or this type of live streams where I try to, yeah, this would be a good idea, to make a live stream or a video saying that Windows 11 is better than Windows 10. Convince me that I'm wrong. Whoa, 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 what are we doing here? Hey, 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 hey. What? Why install? What is going on? Because I'm booting. No. That was stupid of me. I'm sorry. I apologize. I don't know what went over me. I forgot the booting from CDT. Yes. That happens when you get old. Like very, very old. I forgot that back then. Honestly, first of all, hi Sean. Honestly, at this point, I really don't know what I'm up to here because apparently, as you can see, I'm installing Windows 7 on a virtual machine. Why? I don't know. Because I'm done. What? No. Skip. Ask me later. Let's leave it like this. Home network. Because I'm done ranting about data recovery software being a scam. But if you want to discuss about it, I would be happy to repeat myself. If you want to know why I think that data recovery is a scam, paid data recovery software. But if not, you can just sit back and relax and remind yourself that Windows 7 Ultimate was the best Windows out there. Yes, better than XP. Because what I was saying is that paid data recovery doesn't help you more than a free data recovery such as Recuva. Hold on. Found way more what? And a free version of what you used and cracked version of what you used. Yeah, but that's not. No, if you don't remember the program name, it's okay. You don't have. I mean, in the end, the free version, for example, you said that they found the stuff, however, put back in folders. Kukma, for example, when I made the first data recovery video, I didn't know at the time that Recuva can put stuff in the folders. Yes, but now, for example, I've learned after that Recuva recovers and it's free and it's unlimited and puts everything back in folders. You just have to ask this to set this in settings. So, for example, a free data recovery can do exactly the same thing as a pro data recovery can do. The thing is that you didn't pay and you risked by installing a cracked version, something that I don't recommend. But a lot of people don't want to install cracked software on their devices and use, they prefer to pay. And that's why I say that it's a scam. Because paying money for something that free data recovery can do, I consider this a scam. For example, I don't have Recuva installed, but if I download it now, hold up, let me see, because it's dark here. I don't see Recuva. Disk Genius, what is this free or what? So for example, Recuva is free, okay? is 100% free. There is a pro version, but I don't recommend that one because it's the same. So this is Rekuva, the one that, yeah, but up to a point really doesn't help. I mean, it has to be completely free. So I install now Rekuva. Let me see if I remember where was it. Run. So when I made my first video about Rekuva, I don't want to scan, just show me. So when I made my first video about Rekuva, I didn't know that you can recover everything in folders, okay? And I said in my video, look, restore folder structure, you see? And I didn't know about this when I made the video. And people were not happy about this. They were like, I prefer to pay money. And I was like, yeah, I prefer to not to pay money and make this on my own. But obviously, I was wrong. It does offer folder structure. And it's completely 100% free. And it's unlimited data recovery. So, does it worth now to pay money for something else? I don't think so. That's why, in my opinion, paid data recovery is a scam. We also have Windows file recovery. This is also free and unlimited, but this right here, this, I'm not sure if recovers in the folder structure. Yeah. Okay. So you met me because of the Rekuva video. Yeah, well, you see, at that time I didn't knew. At that time I didn't knew about this thing. This came after. And yeah, I don't recommend cracked software because, yeah, you know, it's not safe and you don't know what's on the other side. But nah, this is something that everybody needs to decide for themselves. I personally don't condone and don't use cracked software. That's why I prefer to find free alternatives. So my thing is that I made a bunch of videos, which I deleted now, about other paid data recovery, because at the time when I made them, I was new. I was happy to have sponsors or collaborators that would pay me to make videos about. I made videos about Stellar data recovery. I made videos about iMyPhone. I made videos about any recover and EaseUS and so on. The thing is that once I realized what is going on, that they are not better than free data recovery, I stopped making those videos. I waited for the 1-year period to be over and basically to delete those videos and say all these things that I'm saying today. Well, thank you for joining. Thank you for coming to the live stream. I was talking by myself until now. Okay. Disk Genius, honestly, I'm not familiar with it. I never used this. But honestly, I cannot imagine that would work better than Recuva or Windows file system. The problem is what I think, from my experience that I have with different softwares, different data recovery softwares. From my experience, if Recuva or Windows file recovery doesn't work, then the other ones would not work either. So instead of paying money for this, if Recuva doesn't work, then better take your device, your hardware, and give it to a specialist. If you really, really need those files, better than spending money on Disk Drill, on Stellar, on Disk Genius or whatever, use those money and go somewhere where they can really help you. I used Prime OS and then clicked format on the added USB disk, like formatting my whole drive, and then found you. Yes, it's nice to chat. It's actually very good for formatting to, like when you want to format a drive into another form, and also partitioning. Yeah, but you see, there are free alternatives for everything. You will find free partitioning, you will find free backup. Windows has these things built in, so I don't think that is really necessary to pay money for stuff like this, because you will definitely find free versions. Of course, I don't think that there is a free version for Mac. If you need that free data recovery for Mac, Recuva is just for Windows. Or for Android, again, there are no free data recoveries as far as I know. So yeah, there are limitations there. But there, again, instead of spending money on paid data recovery for Mac or Android, I would really go with this to a specialist, because then you know for sure that they can help you. And if they cannot help you, then they will not charge you for it. Yeah, but I don't know. I mean, in the end, you are talking now because you use the cracked version. But honestly, would you pay the money for it? How much is this Genius? So let me check something. How much? Oops, hold up. Let's see. Let's see. Disk Genius price. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, I would not pay 70 euros for this. Yeah, even so. But for company computer, they should, as far as I know, your company should have data recovery or something, or they should pay on it, unless you, of course, made shit with your company's computer. That's something else, and you didn't want them to find out. But as long as there was something standard, then they should deal with this on their own. You don't have to crack something. But again, maybe you didn't want them to find out what you did. It's your own company. Okay, now I understand. Well, maybe you didn't want to find out what you did. You hide secrets from yourself or what? Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Disk Genius is one thing that I didn't use, but I really, really cannot imagine that this is something way more, I don't know, better, or yeah, they maybe have other features like backup, restore, partition manager, but this, honestly, you have them in Windows also. So what was meant to make things easier? To have an Android system like a dual boot? Well, it's just a professional version, to be honest. If you double check. If you're receiving a lot of data, it was way easier. You can also create a USB disk and you can then plug into any PC. Yeah, but into any PC, if that PC has, it's the same thing like with Minitool partitioning or Minitool backup data recovery. They work basically on the same thing. At the end of the day, you still need to have the paid version of the software to use it. So yeah, my bottom line is that for every paid version out there, there is a free version that does exactly the same thing. Also with no password needed and so on. If you want backup, you have it for free also. If you want data recovery, you have it for free. If you want partitioning, you have it for free. Yeah, I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. But what I mean is that the majority of them, if not all of them, don't offer really anything more. The most of the stuff that that you will find that on their website that as features or the way they recover the files, this is really a scam, because they make themselves look so I don't know, high tech and everything, but in the end they work on the exact same thing as the free version of Recuva or Windows file recovery. They work basically on the same system. If you will double format your drive, no paid or free file free data recovery will recover your files, no matter how much money you put. If you take now your drive, you format it once, okay, and then you do some shit in it, nothing will. If it's a hard drive, it's a NVMe, you don't even have to format it because none of them will work. The only thing that will work is to take it, buy physically, and go at a service. I don't have to try this genius, because I know if I would format the drive 2 times, this genius will do nothing. I'm not saying that Recuva will do, because Recuva will also do nothing, but none of them will do something. It's a matter of luck. It's a matter of luck of how you delete your file. It's a matter of luck of what type. Tell me answer me one question. What drive you have? Do you have a hard drive or an SSD or an NVMe? What type of drive do you have? I don't know about that saying, but I will not buy an iPhone no matter what. I prefer Android. Do you have a hard disk in your PC? Hard drive. Yeah, after recovery, you bought an SSD. So when you recovered, you use a hard drive. Hard drive is the easiest of them all to recover. Okay, but I bet that if you try the same disk genius, the same method, if you delete your files the same way as you deleted with a hard drive, I bet you will not recover them as you recover them with a. If you delete them the same way on the SSD, goddammit. If you delete them the same way on SSD, you will not recover them as you did on hard drive. On an NVMe, it will be even worse. Hard drive, yes, is the easiest way to recover, but this can do also Recuva or Windows file recovery. Open. But don't delete your Windows or something. Whoa, that was loud. I'm not saying this, that yes, it worked. This is not my thing. This is what also what I said in the videos. I'm not saying that they don't work. I'm not saying that this Genius would not work or Stellar would not work or Isus or any other of them. I'm not saying that they will not work. I'm just saying that they will not do a better job, a more awesome job than Recuva or Windows File Recovery. These are just the two free, unlimited free examples that I know. That's my thing. Recuva and this will do the same job as a paid data recovery. And you use the cracked version, okay? You would not have the same feeling if you would pay money for it. You have nothing to lose now. You are talking from the point of view of someone who has nothing to lose. But if you would pay money, if you would have paid $99 for it, and I'd stay now here and tell you that Recuva does the same thing as the paid data recovery, it will burn you a little more in your stomach because you know that you paid money when you can have something, the same thing for free. But now you're talking like this because you have a cracked software. It doesn't burn your pockets. Yes, but this you can do also with free. Oh God. Yes. This Genius was handy to move the entire hard disk over to SSD. Yes, but this you can do with plenty of free stuff. Yeah, I understand. Oops. So, is the stream disconnected or what? Does it still work? Okay, good, because OBS showed me that I was disconnected and I thought that the stream is over. I will also not go on that long because it's pretty late here and I want to get ready for the next day. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. I understand that this genius is good, and this is also the thing that this they do. You know, they offer all this like partitioning and backup and everything all together, stuff that you normally could get for free from a bunch of like even from Windows. But they put them all under the same umbrella and they offer them to you as a package. You understand where is this is like smoke and mirrors, you know. Kukma, we offer you this and this and this, and the total price is just 99 or 69. And the majority of people don't know that you can have this and this and this also for free. And this is the trick. Now, if you have a hard drive and if you have an SSD or an NVMe, the recovery process is different from all of them. Yes? A hard drive, the majority of paid and free data recovery will recover. SSD and NVMe, most of them will do a bad job at them. For this, you should better God damn it, what's wrong with me? For SSD and NVMe, you should, if you really need the files, you should consult a specialist. Now, my point and why I said that it's a scam, obviously, saying that it's a scam, it's a little clickbaity. Yes, I admit this. Yeah, because I'm coughing a lot. I don't know what's going on. I have like a sore throat right now and I'm coughing a lot and I'm always going away from the microphone. I guess I will also cut the stream short soon. Yes, I will also. Because I guess I also said pretty much everything that I had to say. I understand what you're saying about this, about Disk Genius and what is appealing for you. I just don't think that this is worth it unless you are willing to pirate it, to use cracked software. You're welcome. And yeah, I hope to... God damn it. I really stopped now because I don't know what's wrong with my throat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for keeping the chat alive. It was a pleasure to talk with you. And I hope I see you also in the next stream. Yeah, maybe I will give it a try. I definitely want to make another Rekuva video, and I want also to make a Windows file recovery video. I can give there a try to this. I will definitely not pay money for it. I will see how far the free version would give me would bring me from Disk Genius. I will make a comparison if it works. But definitely I will not pay the full version. So thank you very much. I'm glad that you had a chat with me, to say it like this. And yeah, see you in the next stream. Cheers.